Hello and welcome back to No Boss TV. I get this question all the time, and I really want to put the question to bed. The question that I get is, can I start a business for free? I want to talk to you about that from a practical perspective. Okay? Yes, you can start a business with no money, but let me clarify that. Let me speak on that a little further. Let's say I woke up this morning and I wanted to start a business and I needed the internet and a computer and I have an idea. I could start the business with no money. Why? Because I already have the idea, because I already own a computer, and because I already have access to the internet. So it's not costing me anything. But the next person that may have the very same idea and wakes up this morning to start the exact same business, it's going to cost them maybe $1,200. Well, why is that? Well, what's the difference? Well, it's the same idea. Like, what's the big deal? They don't own a computer. They've got to get up and go out and buy one. They don't have internet access. So they've got to figure out how they're going to get internet service. What is that going to cost them? So now they have an investment to make in order to do the exact same thing. So when you ask a question like, can I start a business with no money? It's so general and it depends on so many other elements that it depends on you and it depends on me. I could tell you all day how I started a six-figure business with no money, but that doesn't mean that you had the same resources, tools, ideas, whatever went into that. That doesn't mean that you had the same starting point that I did. I can start it for zero because I already have certain things in place. If you're going to start a business, you're going to be a part of the No Boss community. You've got to start thinking like an entrepreneur. So, how to start a business on the cheap? Yeah, you can start a business on the cheap, but you got to think about that first. What is it going to take for this particular business? When money is tight and income is imperative, I get it. Something's got to give. Chances are it's going to take a little bit more effort. It's going to take a little bit more time. And you have to have some things that you need already in place. There is no magic business idea. There is no secret to how to do it. It's about, do you have the resources and the likely businesses that you can start that you may not have to make an investment doing it? Is it possible? Of course it is.